Alright, this is the passenger side of, the driver's side of the Infinity QX60 kick plate. And now I'm going to see how this one's wiring is. So if you look inside, similar to the other side, you can see this black ribbon cable. If it'll focus, yeah, it's right there. And then that black ribbon cable becomes, oh gosh, there's actually multiple black pipe wires here. So to keep track of this is going to be a little hard, but this is the wire, so this one, and then there's the middle one right there. So this one, if you can see, does go, so actually, wait a second, so this one actually comes out, it's the same wire, just tied back and forth. So yeah, I don't actually need to keep track of it. That's nice. So now I'm gonna put this back because I don't need this open anymore. I know which wire I'm looking for. Alright, so that's it. Now I have to figure out how to open this dashboard. I don't see an inlet from here. Alright, I will get back to you once I open this. Okay everyone, so I actually followed the wire up here, and it looks like the wire, after about like half an hour of playing with this wire now, I was able to follow it behind the hood release button, and it actually plugs in right to this socket, to this bundle. If you can see, there's a little, let's try to get a better angle, but there is a little, here you go, that's the connector. This connector goes right in, and this is the wire right here. That's the wire that's plugging in. So this is what you need for the illuminated kick plates. And so I hope the rest of the wiring is done, but that's what it seems like is the only thing that you need. I will make another video on my car to see if it has the pre-wiring, like that socket there, and if it does, that would be great, but we'll see. Actually, before I wrap up this video, one word of advice: when you're opening up this panel right here, this bottom panel, you have to remove this side panel first, and that takes a lot of effort to pry on this side for some reason. But then you also have to have this off. Without this off, this doesn't really come off. And then there's one screw you have to remove right there, and then this just comes off like a piece of cake. But that's pretty much it. To put it back, just do the same steps but in reverse, and you'll be set. Thanks.